Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. So this is sort of PR related. You know, I talk a lot about social media as well. And if you're not automating your social media, I want you to really consider automation. There are so many amazing tools out there: Hootsuite, Buffer, Later. Just Google them and see. This year, Instagram has now allowed us to schedule posts there, which is one of the reasons I started on Instagram, because now on Monday I do PR tips and on Wednesday I do Wednesday Wisdom, and that's scheduled for the whole year. You know, I spent an hour doing that, putting them together, and then my team scheduled them. But it's a great way for evergreen content. Twitter. You need to be on Twitter 30 times a day at least, which is shocking. But if you can have a lot of evergreen content, you know, you can schedule it. And there's a product for Twitter called Social Oomph that I love, where you kind of put things in buckets and you say, okay, schedule one tweet out of this bucket every 5 hours, one tweet out of this bucket every 7 hours. There's all kinds of training manual or training videos on that, but it's a great tool. So your blog posts that you want to regurgitate over and over again, your videos, if you're on TV, your podcasts, these are all things that can go into different buckets. These are all things that can be automated out for the entire year, which allows you to stay in front of so many more people. And the PR piece of that is, as you know, the media is going to check you out. So when they go to your social media platforms and they see all of this great content that you've created, you're going to check out. So that is this week's Friday PR tip. I hope you find that helpful. Automation is key. And I would like to invite you to join the PR Challenge at yourprchallenge.com, where I have you come in and you sign up, and every day you get a video from me, very short, with some actionable items with it. And I will help you get massive visibility for your business. We also have a private Facebook group that you can come in and engage and ask questions. So join the challenge, yourprchallenge.com, and I'll see you in the media.